This application may be used to register a full month of newspaper issues. A newspaper is defined as a periodical that is mainly designed to be a primary source of written information on current events, either local, national, or international in scope. A newspaper contains a broad range of news on all subjects and activities, and is not limited to any specific subject matter. Newspapers are intended for either the general public or a particular ethnic, cultural, or national group. There are strict eligibility requirements that must be met in order to use this option. Before completing the application, you will be asked to confirm that you understand and meet all of these requirements. To complete your submission, you must upload one complete copy of the final edition of each issue published in the calendar month designated in the application. To submit an application for newspaper issues, first log into your Eureka account. Click Register Certain Groups of Published Works under the Copyright Registration heading on the left side of the home page. Review the information on the Registration Process Overview screen, then click Start Registration to proceed. Next, click the Type of Group drop-down and select Daily Newspapers. A description of this type of group will be provided. Please be sure to carefully review the eligibility requirements for registering a group of newspapers. Check the box confirming that you have read, understood, and meet all eligibility requirements for filing an application for a group of newspapers. If you do not meet these requirements, return to the home page to select a different application. To proceed with the application, click Continue at the top of the screen. On the title screen, enter the title as it appears on the newspaper as well as the city and state where it is published. Enter the month and year in which the issues were published. If a specific edition statement appears on each issue, such as late edition or final edition, you may enter that information in the space provided. Otherwise, leave this space blank. As discussed below, you must include the International Standard Serial Number, or ISSN, in the file name of your deposit. You may also provide the ISSN in your application if you want to include the ISSN on your certificate and in the online public record. Click Continue to proceed. On the publication screen, enter the date of publication for the earliest and most recent newspaper issues in this group. Select the nation in which the issues were first published from the drop-down list. You must submit a complete copy of each issue that was published during the month specified in your application. In the Number of Issues in this Group drop-down list, select a number between 1 and 31 to identify the total number of issues that will be included in your submission. Click Continue to save this information and proceed. On the Author Claimant screen, you will give information about the author and owner of the issues in this group. The author and claimant for each issue must be the same person or organization, and each issue in the group must be a work made for hire. If you are completing the application on behalf of the author and claimant, enter the name and address of that person or organization in the spaces provided. If you are the author and claimant for all of the issues, you may click Add Me to enter your information. To use the group registration option, the newspaper must be a collective work, and the claim in each issue must be limited to the collective work. When you submit this form, the term collective work authorship will be added automatically to your application. For additional information, consult the help text that accompanies the online application. After entering all the required information, click Continue to proceed. On the Rights and Permissions screen, you may identify the person who should be contacted regarding copyright management information or permission to use these issues. Any information you enter here will appear in the office's online catalog and may be viewed by visitors to the office's website. Do not complete the rights and permissions screen unless you want this contact information to be included in the office's online record. On the correspondence screen, give information for the individual the Copyright Office should contact to answer questions that may arise during the examination of your claim. On the Mail Certificate screen, enter the address where the registration certificate should be mailed. Special handling is an expedited service that requires a significant surcharge fee. It is granted only if a registration is needed on an expedited basis for pending or prospective litigation, customs matters, or contract or publishing deadlines. Do not complete this screen unless you qualify for and intend to pay for expedited service. The application must be certified by the author claimant or by an authorized agent of the author claimant. Check the box to confirm that you are authorized to certify the application and enter your name as the certifying individual. Click Continue to review the information provided in the application. Carefully review the information you entered before proceeding further. Use the links in the navigation bar to go back and to make corrections if needed. Click Add to Cart to pay the fee and submit your application. After payment is confirmed, you will receive an email confirming the receipt of your application and payment. To complete your submission, you must upload a digital copy of each issue. Specifically, you must upload one complete copy of the final edition of each issue published in the calendar month designated in the application. The issues must be uploaded as individual files in portable document format, and you must upload a separate PDF for each issue in the group. Each PDF file should be named using the following convention. The file name must start with the letters GRNP, followed by the International Standard Serial Number for the newspaper, and the publication date for the issue in a year, month, day format. For example, the proper file naming format for an issue published on March 1, 2018 under ISSN 12345678 would be GRNP _ 12345678 _ 201803001.pdf. Include underscores between each element of the file name, but leave out the hyphen in the middle of the ISSN number. Be sure to include 2 digits for both the month and day, such as 010203 rather than 123. If you do not have an ISSN, you may request a number from the U.S. ISSN Center. To do so, complete the ISSN newspaper application form. Make a PDF copy of the front page of one issue, including the masthead or nameplate, and any internal page that contains the editorial block, masthead, and publisher information. The completed form and PDF copies of these 2 pages should be emailed to issngrnp@loc.gov with the subject line, Group Registration of Newspapers. If you have applied for an ISSN but have not received it yet, state pending in the file name for each issue. In this case, the example given above would be GRNP _ pending _ 201803001.pdf. The issues should be included in each PDF file with the pages in sequential reading order. The PDF files must be viewable and searchable, they must contain embedded fonts, and they must be free of any access restrictions, such as password protection, watermarks, or other digital rights management. Additional information concerning these requirements is available in the help text for this application. Click Continue to proceed. The application you just submitted will be displayed on a new screen. As mentioned earlier, each issue must be uploaded in a separate PDF file. The file size for each PDF must not exceed 500 megabytes. If necessary, the files may be compressed to comply with this requirement. Do not submit the issues in a compressed file, such as a zip file. To upload files, click the green Select a File for Upload button. A new window will open, allowing you to select files from your computer. Select all the files to be uploaded and click Open. The files you selected will be displayed with the corresponding application. Click the blue Start Upload button to upload your files. A progress bar next to each file will allow you to watch the upload process. As the upload is completed for each file, Successfully Uploaded will be added in front of the file name. Do not leave this screen or close the application before upload is complete for all files, as this will stop the upload process. Once upload has been completed for all the files you've selected, click the Complete Your Submission button to confirm that no more files will be uploaded. You will receive an email from the Copyright Office confirming receipt of your files. If you choose to send microfilm, click Create Shipping Slip on the bottom of the screen. In a moment, a shipping slip attachment link will be added to the screen. Click the link to open and print the shipping slip. Attach the shipping slip to the microfilm before mailing it to Library of Congress, U.S. Copyrights Office, Attention 407 Deposits, 101 Independence Avenue Southeast, Washington, D.C., 20559. This completes all steps for submitting your application for a group of newspaper issues.